Justice Minister Ziyambi, who is also ZANU-PF Legal Affairs Secretary, is dismissed claims that MPs could be bribed in the legislature to vote against Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Zalapena mashoko kubuda panguva ino achitaura pamusoro penhau dzeCAP 3. Panoonekwa kunzi mavotes eCAP 3 achaitwa next week. Aiwa, hakuna kumira zvakanaka, and people they are certain kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF vanhu vakachimhanya chinhu ichi kubva kare, and they know kuti what has to be done so that they win. But panguva ino tiona kuti pane mavisions asiyana siyana. We've seen Ziyambi vachiti all the ZANU-PF legislators that are supposed to vote for the bill just because it is their own bill. Panguva ino pane madevelopments ari kuda panguva ino achidismissa kuti pane nhau dzebribery dziri kuida kuitiwa panhau dzema-constitutional amendments pamavhotsi ada kuita subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi mukudanyo kwamuchinzi. Ziyambi is saying the ruling party will crack the whip on its legislators to fall in line or else expel the rebels who act against its leadership directives, rather than describing this as a punitive measure or cracking the whip in a hostile sense, which to some suggest coercion. Ziyambi emphasized the role of the party in its democratic centralism or command system, which guides how MPs and other officials conduct themselves when voting on crucial laws or receiving orders once binding decisions have been made by the party. The contentious bill has run its 90-day nationwide public consultation course and is now transitioning to formal debating stages in Parliament amid fierce political and legal contestations. Though my developments aripo pano constitutional amendments, pina kuma section medu za fundo enye matukudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Pina kuma section medu za fundo enye, so subscribe or like, on the bell icon.